Kia ora koutou. Welcome to part 21 about ngā Momo Kupu. In this video, we'll be looking at a very unique word, the Kupu Taea. By the end of this video, you'll be able to use it in a sentence confidently. The Kupu Taea is the passive verb or tūmahi hāngū form of the word tai. It's a very unique word and has its own set of grammar rules. So that's why I decided to dedicate a whole video just for it. The translation of the kupu is to be able to be capable of something, and it can often be translated to mean can do. One of the most common misconceptions about the word taea is that it means can, as in having permission to do something or being allowed to do something, but this isn't the case. If you wanted to ask permission for an action or be allowed to do something, you would use the word āhei instead, but I'll save that for a different video. I'll show you the sentence structure now. Let's hop an English sentence in and then we'll translate it. I am able to run. Running is a physical action, and saying I'm able to do it just means I'm physically capable of it. Not that I know how to do it or I've learned how to do it or that I can run fast or that I'm particularly good at it. Just that I can do it. We'll start off with our tohu wā, which is most often, but not always, ka. Then we have the word taea, followed by e, and then the kaimahi, which in this sentence is me or o. The next part of the letinga is te, and then the action that the kaimahi is capable of. So we'll pop in our tūmahi oma. Ka taea e au te oma, I am able to run. It's worth mentioning here that the sentence structure is unique only to the word taea, and it doesn't happen with any other tūmahi. Here's another example. He is able to sing, starting with ka taea, then e, the kaimahi ia, and then lastly, te waiata. Last one, they are able to row. Ka taea e rātou te hoe. Here's some more examples. This time I've extended the sentences a bit by adding the object of the sentence of the taunga. When we add an object to a sentence, we add it after ka taea te and then add the action at the end. Here's an example to show you what I mean. I want to say the teacher can carry all the bags. The basic sentence would be, the teacher is able to carry. Then we add in the object of the sentence, which is all the bags. We'll start our sentence with ka taea e te kaiako, and then we'll add in our subject, which is all the bags, and lastly we add in the action at the end, te kawe. Ka taea te kaiako ngā pēke katoa te kawe. Here's another one. The painter is able to paint the house. Ka taea e te kaipaita, te whare, te paita. Here's one more example and an activity. I'll give you the example first. Mammals are able to give birth to their young. Ka taea e ngā whāngote a rātou kuao te whakawhānau. The words whāngote and kuao relate specifically or only to animals. Okay, here's an activity for you. Here's an example where the words are all jumbled up. The English translation of the sentence is you are able to watch this video. If you want to pause the video and have a go at writing the sentence in the correct order, I'll give you the answer when you come back. Okay, pause the video now. If you stop the video to do the activity, here's the sentence again in the correct order. Ka taea e koe, tēnei ata te mātakitaki. Here's a couple more examples to show you that we can also use different tohu wā. Again, we would usually use ka taea to describe something that can be done or is possible, but I've used different tense markers in these ones just to show you how it works. I taea e te tangata hikoi, te maunga, te piki ake. The hiker was able to climb the mountain. And the last one, e taea ana e au, koutou te āwhina. I am able to help you. So there you have it, a brief explanation on how to use the Kupu Taea. A good way to practice these is to have the structure handy as you go about your day and think about how the things you can do. Ka taea e koe te kōrero, ka taea e koe te whakarongo, and so on. Coming up next, we'll go over how to negate these and look at ways to say we're not able to do things. Ka nui te mihi ki a koutou. Hei ko nā.